Welcome to Unity 3D tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to import characters and animation download from Mixamo and also learn how to download them. This is a free site where we will get all about all our animations that are required. So you need to sign in, just go and log in or sign up for free if you are not signed. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple or with email ID, anyone's, whatever you want. You can just click on. Now our site is open. Here is all our characters, so we can select any one character whatever you want. These are our characters that you can use in your project, or for learning purpose we have used AJ, that one character. So I have selected. When you click, it will ask you for proceed with the new character or with the previous. Not, just click on use this character, so your character will be loaded here. Now after character we need some animations, so just click on animation tab. Most of our animation will be loaded here. You will find animations like defeated, reactions, split laughing or much more, whatever animation you will require. Now for our project we need 3 animations: running, walking and idle. So just search for running. Like I want running animation, so I have searched for running and these are our running animations. Just click on any one animation. As you click on the animation will be loaded in a preview character. Now this animation is playing here, so just click on in place so that the character will be remain in his place. As the animation app selected, to download it, just click on download. Here you will find 4 options: format, scan, frames per second and keyframe reduction. For format, just click on drop down. There are 3 options: FBX for Unity and Colada. We need FBX for Unity because we are using it for Unity project. And in skin you will find 2 options: skin with skin and without a skin. With a skin means when you download it, it also contain a character too. Character is also present with a skin. If you click on without a skin, just animation is present in a file. So just click on or frame per second, just leave them as they are and click on download. So it will start our downloading. After downloading 3 animations, like I have downloaded running, walking and idle animation. Open up an Unity project. Now open Unity project and just click on create and create a new folder called Mixamo. We created this folder because we want to more organize our project. So just after creating Mixamo, just open it and now we will import our characters. To import them, just open your file locations where they are and just drag them to in project panel. As we drag in project panel, our project will be imported. Now importing. Okay, now our character are imported. These all 3 are looking different because this character is with a skin. This animation we have downloaded with a skin, and these others 2 are without a skin. So they just contain animations and this contains whole character. Okay, we can drag and drop it anywhere in the scene. As you will see, you are not finding any textures on it or not clearly because its texture is within it. So we need to extract it. To extract it, click on player. In inspector menu you will find models, rig, animations and materials. So we need materials. Click on materials and click extract materials. On clicking, it will ask for location. Just create a new folder with name texture and material and materials. Okay, and select it. So all our material textures are extracted in this folder. Normal map setting, just click on and fix now. Okay, now our character is being appearing. You can also extract its material, just texture and material folder and click select. It's importing our material. So now our character is being able, and this video be just enough for this video, and in next video we will learn how to implement these animations in our character. Thank you.